My brothers and sisters, una good evening. Oh, I dey hear this thing before. I no know say na so e be. I buy fish for Tokai shop. I say make I come use am this evening for Arabo shop for Ostra. I dey hear ram. People dey do the video. I no believe it don happen to me today. Make una see fish. Oh, make una see scorpion. People wey know scorpion well go know say scorpion you go dey fold am, e no dey bend. You know they see scorpion. Rubber. Make una see scorpion. Rubber. Nice scorpion. Be see the body. If you dey see. Make una dey listen oh. Dey hear am. Dey hear am. Scorpion. Plastic. Oh, plastic. Make una come see all these ones. No dey cause cancer. When people no dey reach 60 years again, all of them dey die. Make una come see. See plastic. Make I put light and make una hear. Make una see am. God forbid. I never see this kind of thing before. Make una see oh. See. Now they see am. See am. See. It squeeze like plastic. See how it smell. Make una see am. I know say some of una don't. It don't say happen to una before. But na the first time it happen to me. See fish. See. You know they cut. See the body. Make una see am. Make una see, and God will save us for all these Chinese people hands. They carry and come. I don't know what is saying. Make I go to Tokai shop, Arabo shop, go buy this kind of fish. And they buy them before for supermarket, Ostra supermarket. They don't see this kind of thing because they control them. Make una see. See this one. If they break, I know they break. See am. They know they break. You see am. Now wow, my brothers and sisters, make una dey careful. Una no dey buy something for Arabo. See inside as it be. Make una see fish. See as it be. People wey dey eat scorpion well go know wetin I dey talk. Especially roasted scorpion. Make una take care. Oh, I say make I see inform una wetin happen to me today. God bless all of una. Oh, make we no go enter trouble for Chinese people hand. Make una see. You hear am? Say they smell like plastic, like rubber. See. Now see am. God bless you now. Now good night.